So this is an sfic core that was sent to me by Charles Watt, C-Stu-Do. It's an old one. It's beat up. I don't have a key. I personally think these things are a pain in the ass. I can usually pick them to control before I can pick them open. I don't. Jeez, man. There's no good way to do this, I don't think. Alright, so I'm going to use Balllox Tools 47 thousandths and just a multi-pick. It's just a little like teardrop shaped thing, but it seems to work alright for these sfic cores. 1, 2, 3. No, 5. Click at a 6. It's 1, 2. Click at a 3. Click at a 1, I believe. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. So and then 1 opens it up. As far as sfic cores go, this one's really not that terrible. But yep, that is the unknown sfic core sent to me by C-Stu-Do.